Today, we're going to dig into Claude's Sonnet 4.5 update, and we're going to experiment with one of their extensions that you can find in any IDE. Today, for the sake of the demo, we're going to be using Cursor. So without squirrel ado, let's get into it. The idea that I have is right here. I already took the liberty of prompting ChatGPT, just getting a feel for it. So the core idea is like Yelp, but video-based. Now, you may be wondering, this is what social media essentially is, but one thing I'm noticing when I was looking at Google reviews is, and Amazon is known for this too, not all the reviews are legitimate. While they do have AI and certain systems in place to try to combat these fake reviews, there's no video-based reviews. And I thought it would be really cool to incorporate a video-based review system. Now, do I pursue this app long-term? I have no idea, but I thought it would be a fun experiment, a demo to create to see how it works. So let's, without squirrel ado, I already came up with a name, Revu. 4 letters. The .com is not available. There are certain domain or other domains that are available, but I am going to go in and grab the Claude extension and let's optimize this. Okay, now I'd like to build this in Claude code. Please give me a TLDR prompt I can give to Claude to spin up a prototype. All right. So I was already going back and forth quite a bit. So it has a lot of information as far as like who the target audience is, what vertical should we select when it comes to whether it's food and drink, travel and attractions, events and nightclub, beauty, services, etc., barbers, salons, and so forth. All right, we're going to change that name. But I'm loving this. Tells us what the stack is going to be. Okay, home feed for you / new. Okay, so this is actually turning it into a social app. Interesting. Well, let's see how Claude Code does with its latest update and using this extension. Wow, this is going very in depth. I feel like this is going to be too much. Maybe I should have told it to make a PRD instead. I think I'm going to have it do that instead. So you are a senior iOS. You are a senior. What kind of role do we want to give it here? You are a senior web app engineer. I want to build Yelp, but for video-based reviews to help combat fake reviews that are often farmed on these sites. I want to build a web app that is mobile friendly and responsive. Here's a PRD for Revu, the name of the app. And let's grab like a lot of this is marketing and investor based. I don't want that. I want a prototype based PRD. We can create one for marketing and investors if this sticks. Exactly. Perfect. Also, we're calling it Revu. That way I can just copy paste its output here. Perfect. Perfect. This is more of the type of PRD I'm looking for. So, let it be known when you're prompting for a PRD, and let me also grab that like that, is, sometimes you'll get a PRD that is also investor and marketing focused, and Claude may or may not know what to do with it. We want to just keep it on the technical side of things, the development side of things, user experience, user interface side of things, because that's what's important for Claude Code. All right, perfect. So let me grab this PRD. All right, that's a big one. We'll see how it does. All right. We're going to have to do placeholder data for the sake of this demonstration. I'm not going to spin up a Supabase account for this. I just want to kind of build this, see how it feels, start looking around to see if it's truly viable. An idea like this, it's the purpose would be to build up such a strong user base that Google can't just come in and clone it, right? Because any of these big brands can clone these apps. The question is, did you attract enough users to your app for them to want to buy you out so you can exit to them, right? That's, I think, the attention and the user base is more important than the idea itself. What do you think, chat? I think we should YOLO this. Let's YOLO this. All right. Now, I suppose we can also set up a free Supabase account. It's moving along. I'm impressed. All right. We're almost on the tail end of this setup. I love this checklist that it made for us without even asking. It all boils down to the prototype. Does it work after that prompt or not? Pretty sure it should spin it up on 3000. Oh, that's 3001, 3000. Nope. All right, prototype complete, core functionality. We have a build error. So what we do in vibe coding is we just want to grab that error, build error. Okay, I want to see if we can bypass this. Another error, but I know why. We did not create a Supabase project for this yet. Is there any way to put demo data as a placeholder for testing and prototype purposes? And then I'll paste it in there for safe measures. Yeah, let me create demo mode that works without Supabase using mock data for testing the prototype. That's the whole goal of this build today is a prototype. We do not want to actually set up any working database yet. I just want to test the functionality and the idea and let it marinate in my brain. Okay, it might be doing a good amount of work here, I'd imagine. Yeah, I don't know how good. Okay, whoops. There we go. Should probably just close out the terminal. Don't really need that. Although I liked how the spacing was. Let's bring that back. I liked how it was right up here, just for the sake of the video. So it's spinning up and it should be live. Okay, demo mode active. You're viewing sample data. Super simple. Here's the feed. Okay. All just demo. Trusted, verified. Interesting. Kind of cool. Record a review. Wonder if we try to access on mobile. Gotta say, this idea is growing on me. It is growing on me more and more. It even has the map. Map view in demo mode, the interactive map. Okay. All right, so this whole background should be, I like it. I like what it's done so far. So allow, I guess I have locations turned off, detailed instructions. Okay, so it's not going to allow me to do this until I set up the storage buckets and Supabase schema. Okay. But you know what? I think we made a good amount of progress with, what, 3 prompts for this idea? Let's do a bonus, right? I'm going to let this idea marinate, and I might make another video. I might end up re-recording this video altogether. But the idea is growing on me. But the one thing I didn't do for this idea is do enough, a couple hours of market research on, A, does it exist somewhere already? B, does Yelp and Google natively encourage videos? Because my experience with Yelp and Google, primarily Google, is it's just pictures and text. Most all the time, 95% of the time it's pictures and text. I can't say I remember seeing a video-based review yet. So I want to do some more research to see if they've already tried to incorporate this. But, review could just be a social review app for, small to mid-sized local-based businesses, location-based businesses. It could hit. It could be something special. But then we're essentially creating another social media web app, or application rather. So, I'm gonna marinate on this for a bit. This was a fun experiment. So let's do one other thing. Because I'm just not satisfied with this demo as is. So I want to go into demos. And we're going to call this one Claude Sonnet 4.5. Let's pop this open. Let's open up Claude here. Oh, rather, let's use the extension one more time. And for those curious, it's a really easy install. You can actually search here on the, extensions. And if you just search Claude, make sure it's the one from Anthropic with the verified tag. Do not download anything else by these individual users. You never know what they're trying to do in the back end as far as stealing data. All right. Now, you are a website UX, and we'll just compile these. Developer, you've built successful landing pages for marketing campaigns for the likes of Nike, Adidas, etc. Please build me a landing page for a new retail product smart glasses, a direct competitor to Ray-Ban or to Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. Now, we don't have this product. I just wanted to give it something unique to build. Make sure it appears as if it was built in 2025 and not 2005. I'll create a modern, visually striking landing page for smart glasses that competes with Meta's Ray-Ban lineup. This will feature contemporary design trends like bold typography, smooth animations, and a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Okay. See how quickly it can spin this up. And now, if you're a small to mid-sized company who, wants to build landing pages for particular campaigns or particular products, this is how easy it is, right? You just replace certain details here with, instead of the likes of Nike and Adidas, I gave it those examples because I wanted that approach, that touch. But let's say you are in an industry and you know who some of those top dogs in the industry are. You can label them and even provide reference links for Claude if you'd like, and it will analyze, it will crawl those websites or those links that you provide and analyze the structure and UX and UI layout as well. We'll YOLO mode this. Yes and don't ask me again. We should be able to set up the preview here. Let's hide this chat. Wow, I'm already impressed with this feel and this layout. All right, let's check out what it's built us here. Just in one go. I mean, I'm loving the look and the feel. I think it nailed it. And this is obviously where you display the product. Fine-tune this a little bit. Different styles. I mean, are you kidding me? This did such a great job in such a short amount. I feel like it's improving its capabilities to build landing pages. Consider me impressed. Consider me impressed. Yeah. So today was meant to be just a hands-on demonstration using two things. The new Claude Code 2.0 update, Sonnet 4.5, and also using the Claude extension within Cursor's interface. Now, Claude's improved quite a bit. So without squirrel ado, I think that's a great place to end this demonstration. And yeah, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.